Hello everyone, Namaskar. Cervical spondylosis. This is quite common problem and severe problem. Those who have this problem, they'll understand the severity. So even I had this cervical spondylosis. I was hospitalized for 3 days. Used medicines, then after that I have learned yoga for cervical spondylosis and then I got relief. The same thing I wanted to share with you all. Please forward this video those who are having this cervical spondylosis problem. Definitely it will be much helpful for them to get rid of this cervical spondylosis. What is the cervical spondylosis? In the initial stage you will find a pain here. Here you will find a lot of pain and this pain it runs from the shoulder, up shoulder to down. Entire hand you will find that running pain. Severe pain you will find. Initially if you ignore it, it will become severe. As I was hospitalized in the same situation comes. So, and there are some people with cervical spondylosis, they be fainted also. The severity is much. So that is why you have to be very careful about this cervical spondylosis. Why do we get this? The main thing is that when we work on computer for long period, because our hand is like this on the mouse, okay. So for long period, during my PhD submission while working on computer for long period, I got this cervical spondylosis. And due to age factor also, after crossing 40, 50, 60, definitely many people are facing this cervical spondylosis. Now what is the remedy? Before going to the yoga, I want to give you simple 2 tips. The first thing is that always use belt. So that is neck belt. So this one. Buy it, it doesn't cost much. When you have cervical spondylosis, throughout the day you have to wear this like this. Tightly you can just wear it. Now you can't sit down also properly like this. You can see on the top, middle and top, your world is up. So this is going to be definitely helpful for your neck. Throughout the day you have to wear it, except sleeping and eating food and taking bath. Except these 3 situations, rest of the time you have to wear this neck belt, okay. This is one. And another thing is that, so you buy this cervical pillow. So this is available in any market like medical shop and cervical equipment shops also you can get it. So cervical pillow is like this. Here it is thin and this is a little bit bigger. So this side, big one side, here you keep your head like this and you can sleep. Comfortable, you get a lot of relief, okay. So this you have to buy. These 2 things you just buy it. And now coming to the yoga, simple yoga I'll teach you. The first thing is that whenever you get the cervical exercise, hardly 5 to 10 minutes in the morning. If not possible, evening you can spend. So first yoga or exercises is here, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is side 1. Remembered school life we used to do. So this around 10 to 20. In the initial 10 only you do it. Then after that you can increase the number to 20. Count it, okay, side 1. Then after that front 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is second exercise. Very important thing, when you do this exercises, yoga for spondylosis, sit straight, okay. In Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Padmasana you can sit. Body should be straight and your backbone, it should be straight always. And wear always loose clothes. 2 exercises are over. Now the third one is that stretch your hands like this and then just take turns. Clockwise 10, anti-clockwise 10 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the same anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this 10 you can do it. Then after that next exercise is this one. Put your hands up, hold it like this, take a long breath, hold it for some time and then leave it. Again, right side and left side you will take. Right side is over, now left side. 10 times is more than enough. So this one you can do. And another exercise is this one. Okay, put your hands like this and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this 10 times and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 10 times. Okay, so these exercises. And next exercise is here. You can just put your hands like this, close it. Can you see me? Yeah. Now stretch your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is also initially 10 you do it, slowly you can increase to 15 to 20, enough, more than enough this one. And next exercise is here. You can just put your hand, turn your head like this, right side and left side, both the sides. It is going to be much helpful for you, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, straight. Now left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 5 times if you just turn it, more than enough. So this is, and next one can just up and down, you can do the shoulders like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 times is more than enough. So that's all, simple exercises. See, whatever I taught you, daily you practice it. It doesn't take 5 to 10 minutes of your time, but you get a lot of relief. And the same exercises will be useful to decrease the weight of the shoulders. If your shoulders are very stout, if you want to decrease it, the same exercises you can do it, your shoulders will become thin. So that's all. This is about cervical spondylosis. Hope it is useful for you. Please don't forget to forward this video to those people who are struggling with this cervical spondylosis, especially elders. Forward it to them and give them a help. See you some other time with another interesting yoga related video. Till that period, keep smiling, keep shining, good luck and stay healthy.